the last one is to drink bone broth. So I can't say I drink this all month long. I would cycle sync this and sync it to either like right before and during my period when I just wanted like a very nourishing drink. You can certainly make soups out of it. So bone broth is basically like soup broth that are made from the bones of chicken, beef, pork, like all those like meat products, but it breaks down the collagen around the bones, and that's what actually is super beneficial for bone broth. So like our grandparents used to make this, and like I think our world is like going back to a lot of the things that like our parents or grew up with, or our grandparents grew up with, and they literally used all parts of the animal, and including cooking the bones and making soup broth out of it. So nowadays, if you go to the supermarket, you can find bone broth, but you usually have to like hunt for it, and it's more prominent in like holistic, like whole food markets, usually in the freezer section. But if you were to go buy like broth to make soup, it's not bone broth, like it's literally taken all of that out. So the collagen in this, what that's going to do is it's actually going to help strengthen your stomach lining, and that can actually improve your hormonal symptoms. So bone broth, like if you don't want bone broth, you can certainly find collagen and add that to a smoothie. So I'm really here going for the collagen, also the soothing factor of, sipping on something warm and comforting right before and during your period, or making a warm soup out of it. But that's really going to help with your hormonal stuff, because it's actually strengthening your stomach, which is where your hormones are made. So if you can like always show up and be protecting like your gut health, your stomach, like what you're putting into your body, what you're putting onto your body, like everything matters. Everything we do in our life matters in terms of our health and wellness. So bone broth is just something that can really help strengthen your body. And then like that collagen, it's really great for your skin. It can help with like cellulite and wrinkles. So it's like, yeah, I'm a huge fan of collagen.